A very good morning to all of you. I am Rajalakshmi Shah. Today I am going to discuss about a topic that is called as metal and non-metal. Now, before discussing about metal and non-metal, let me first introduce with you the elements which we found in our surroundings. So there are many elements in our surrounding, like suppose gold, which I am wearing. This is also made up of gold. Okay. Now this pencil, we are having what this pencil is having. It's called, this element is called as, the lead is called as the graphite. Okay. So this is the element. Oxygen is on our surrounding, that is also element. Helium gases are present in a balloon, that is also element. Now metal and non-metal, we have to categorize that in basis of all these elements. Now what are the metal and non-metal in these elements? Suppose which have a shine, which are lustrous, which have shine, which have malleability, ductility. So various properties are there of a metal. Now, as I'm telling you that this is a graphite. This lead is made of graphite. Does it have shine? No, it does not. That means it is what? It is a non-metal. But gold, which I am wearing, that have its own shine. So that is what? It is called as the metal. So silver, gold, which have their shine, that is the metal. And we don't have the shine, that is called as the non-metal. Suppose salt is there. Salt is what? It is a metal or a non-metal? Does it have shine? No. Okay, so that is what? Is it smooth? So that is a non-metal. Okay, it is categorized as sodium. Okay, now we will discuss about some of the property of the metal and non-metal. So metal have various property according to their luster, according to their color, according to their hardness, how hard they are, what is the thermal conductivity of that, how it is. It has sonority. Sonority means when you heat it, sound. What is the sound of that? So these all categorized as metal and non-metal. Now metal have a luster, have shine, that I told you, and non-metal which don't have shine, that is a non-metal. Now hardness. Now suppose I will hit one metal very strongly. Okay, then it will create what? It will create a sound. Okay, suppose I'm taking this bottle and hitting it, so it has creating what? Sound. Okay, it is hard, and also it has a sonority because it is a metal. Okay, non-metal are very soft. Okay, now malleability means metal can be beaten into sheets. For example, gold are available in a biscuit form. Okay, but that has to be beaten into a thin sheet in order to get a proper shape of that. It can be a diamond, it can be a gold, it can be silver, but it can be beaten into sheets. That is called as what? Metal. And non-metal cannot be beaten into sheets. These are what? These are brittle. These are very easily broken. Okay. Suppose glass is there. So glass, it broke. That is what? It is acting as a non-metal. Now, so these are the property of metal and non-metal. Okay. Now, ductility means what? Ductility means again metals are drawn in a wire, like copper wire or iron wire. So which we use in our electrical system. Okay, that wire is made up of what? Copper. Okay, and they are then what? Drawn into a wire. That can be copper, that can be iron. Okay, conductivity means good conductor of heat and electricity. Now suppose copper is there, then copper current is flowing, it is getting heated, so it is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, now sonority means I told you the sound. Okay, the sound you will put in a metal, it will create a very ringing sound. Okay, so but it will not create a sound in the some other thing. So that is a non-metal. Okay, so now what is the chemical property of a metal and a non-metal? Now I have some very less means a small having one small property which I want to share with you. Okay, So chemical property of metal. Metal are prone to oxidation, means all the metals react with oxygen, and during that process lot of heat energy is released. Okay, so except two metals, gold, silver, they cannot be react with oxygen, because at the time of that lot of heat will be generated. Suppose magnesium is there, magnesium is a metal, it react with oxygen, it will form what? Magnesium oxide, MgO. Iron, in presence of, suppose I've kept one iron dish or some iron equipment outside our home, and due to that water present in the environment or moisture in the environment, due to the air in the environment, the metal is getting what? Rusted. So that means in environment oxygen is present, water is present, and due to that that is getting what? Rusted. So as it is getting rusted, so it is from what? Iron oxide. Okay, so that means it is reacting with the oxygen. Okay, so that is a metal. Okay, this is a chemical property. Now, non-metal uses, suppose carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, all these things. Iodine is used as an antiseptic. Sulfur is used in a crackers. Okay, so these are all the non-metals. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my class.